Hey my tubes, another HTML tutorial. We are past the introduction finally. Basically what we're gonna be doing is creating a simple web page here. I'm gonna teach you how to organize it, make a header, etc. Basically, what I did for a header, I just made an image. The dimensions I don't even remember. All I know is there. Actually, I can get the dimensions, but properties. I made the dimensions 850 by 125, so it's nice and long and small. But basically this will be at the header of the website that we're gonna create. I just threw a couple of things in, like the MyTube logo. I'm not a noob. Obviously he's an admin on there, and I have no idea who the hell made this, but I just added it in there. So that would be a header. It's a PNG, so the background's gonna be like it's gonna be transparent to what the background is on the web page. So let's if you want to create one, you can create one, or you can just grab one off the internet, a random one, texture, throw it up there if you're just gonna be messing around here. But what we can do is, where'd it go? Alright, there we go. What we can do is we can open our page that we've been working on this entire time. Open it with Notepad. And we can get rid of basically everything that we've done code, leave all the basics, leave everything basic, get rid of the tables, leave the body and stuff like that. And I'm just going to keep the BG color black because background images are only good if you know how to use them. I know how to use them, but we're just going to start off by using background colors. This is just going to make it unique and easy to do. So basically, where the body is, or the head, you could actually put it in the head. Let's put the image code for the header. So my header's in my pics folder. I'm gonna go get this. There it is. Properties, header, Control C. It's a PNG, so I'm gonna need to know that. So I'm gonna want to go image src equals 2 quotes, and in between the quotes you want to put the image name .png, and then remember at the beginning of the quotes you have to have the location. Mine's ./pics/ so that's the location. It's gonna find it, and then you have to just close image like that, and yeah, there we go. Now we have a header made. So let's see how this turned out. Wow, see, not very bad. Not very bad at all. All we have to do is center it, and it'll look normal. So let's center it. So you guys know how to apply the center tag, because we went over this the past tutorial. Just open caret, center, close caret, and then at the end you want to close it with a /. And look at that. We already have the basic header of a website made. So people always wonder, you're making web pages, not a website. Yes, this is a web page. It's only one page. A website would be multiple pages. Basically, I'm going to teach you how to make the buttons for those websites and where to go, where I make my buttons at. I usually always make them in Photoshop, but first, since I'm going to be teaching you, I'm just going to go to www.cooltext.com. Just a fast button making, gives you actually the HTML code. Choose a button design. I'm just going to do plain text for now. And then I'm going to color, I'm going to make it black outline, and I'm going to make it black, dark gray, some of that sort. Then I'm going to say home, because it's going to be a home page. I'm going to have it in bold, why not? And I'm going to have the color to be white. Not that color, please. There we go. It's just going to be white. It's going to be basic. So you can go render the button. Okay, you can go get the HTML code. You're going to have to log in to your Google, Yahoo, AOL account, and don't worry, they are legitimately awesome. I've already logged in, so I didn't have to do that. So just log in. They'll give you the HTML code. Here it is. You can just input that on your website, and it will show up. So what you can do is just copy all that, Control C. Go in your right below your head and put it in like that, ahref blah, 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 image src, and click Control S, click F5, and there you go, you have a button. It's going to link to cooltext.com. Let's say you don't want to link it to cooltext.com, you want to link it to this page, because this will be your home page. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your web folder, you're going to go to your home page little button, my name index, because that's what you have to do when you make it. You're going to grab it, you're going to go index, you're going to copy it, just like that. You're going to go to your notepad. You're going to go to the href, href equals HTTPS. You're going to take this code right here, and you're just going to take it out. Leave the two quotes there, because that's where you're going to put it. You're going to put .html at the end, just like that. So that's going to tell the computer that you don't want it to go there, you want it to go here. Click save it, F5 your page, and bam. See, that's not leading out source, it's just refreshing the page. Exactly what we want. So this is the beginning of linking to external stuff. This is always fun to do. I'm just going to center it because it kind of looks bad over on that side. So there you go, just right there. Cool, good. Let's see, let's do something else cool here. Some people find interest in doing is adding like a marquee. This is very 90s. I don't recommend you do it. They like to put it either below or in between their home. You always want to, if you have a marquee, you're going to want to put it in the head. What it is, it's like a little scrolling text marquee. Actually, I don't even know the code by heart, so I don't know if this is going to work because I don't use a marquee. So, because I'm not from the 90s, and it's kind of a unique stunt that people pull. But it's going to be black. It's going to show up right there. As you can see, I highlighted it to yellow. So I'm going to go, just do you a favor. I'm going to go key code. I'm going to go get the code off the internet because obviousI really don't need to know the marquee code because it's just not necessary to know. Let me go get it. Scrolling text marquee code, HTML. Yay. Alright, so there we go. Here's a cool one. This one's good. Alright, let me put it in there. But I did have the code correct, I just didn't know what else to do to it. So F5, bam, look at that. You got some marquee going across there, scrolling text. The code for that is open caret marquee. If you want your background color to be that color, you would just keep it just how it is on my screen. Or you can just change it with the number code HTML that we already went over. And then close caret, and then code to simple scrolling text, and that's going to be your scrolling text, and then close marquee, which is open caret / marquee, close caret. So let's change the background color to, why not, cyan. And let's change it to MyTube's headlines. Why not? F5, change sign. MyTube headlines. You can even change the font color if you want. Font color, same thing. You just go up to it, go font, open caret, font color equals two quotes in between those quotes. Just put like yellow. Why not? It's gonna be kind of a weird color to put in there. And then close caret, and then go open caret / font, close like that. F5. Look at that, you got some yellow text on your blue background. Very cool. And that's it for this tutorial. I'll be making another tutorial for you. We're not doing very much in these tutorials, and they're 8 minutes long. I'm just trying to explain to you basically how to do this without making as many mistakes as you possibly can. Next tutorial will be going over text adding and more great stuff. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do for it yet, but we'll find out. Alright, thank you for watching. You guys have a good night or day.